Imagine living a life with less clutter, less stress, and more financial freedom. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing, it's about making space for what truly matters. In this video, I'm going to share 10 minimalist strategies that can not only transform your life but save you thousands of dollars in the process. Stick around until the end, because the last tip is a game changer. What is minimalism and why it matters? Minimalism is often misunderstood. It's not about living with as little as possible, it's about intentionally choosing what adds value to your life and removing everything else. By simplifying your surroundings, your schedule, and your spending, you can create space for more of what makes you happy. In this video, I'll show you 10 minimalist strategies that will change the way you live and help you save money while doing it. From decluttering your home to shifting your mindset, these strategies will help you reclaim your time, money, and peace of mind. 1. Declutter your home to free up mental space. Clutter not only takes up physical space, but it also creates mental stress. When your environment is disorganized, it's harder to focus and feel at peace. Minimalism begins with decluttering your space to create an environment that supports your goals. How it saves you money. When you declutter, you often find things you already own that you didn't know you had, which means you'll stop buying duplicates. You'll stop wasting money on things you never use or don't need. How to apply it? Start small. Pick one room or area to declutter, such as your closet or kitchen. Set aside items you no longer use and sell or donate them. Only keep what's useful or meaningful to you. 2. Embrace the one in, one out rule. Every time you buy something new, make a rule to get rid of something old. This helps you avoid accumulating unnecessary items and keeps your home organized. How it saves you money. By sticking to the one in, one out rule, you avoid the temptation to overspend on unnecessary purchases. It encourages you to buy fewer, higher quality items rather than impulse buys. How to apply it. For every new item you purchase, make sure to donate or discard something similar. Keep track of your purchases to make sure you're not overindulging. 3. Invest in quality over quantity. Minimalism isn't about having the least amount of things. It's about having what truly adds value. Instead of buying cheap, low-quality items that need replacing often, invest in fewer but higher quality items. How it saves you money. High-quality items last longer, so you won't have to replace them as frequently. You end up spending less in the long run by avoiding cheap, disposable products. How to apply it. When making purchases, focus on durability and functionality rather than trends or cheap deals. Think about the long-term value of the items you're buying. 4. Practice mindful spending. Instead of shopping impulsively or out of habit, practice mindful spending. Minimalism encourages you to make purchases with intention and awareness, prioritizing things that align with your values. How it saves you money. You'll stop making unnecessary purchases or buying things you don't need, saving you money. Mindful spending allows you to focus on things that truly enrich your life, rather than filling it with stuff. How to apply it. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it improve my life or add value? Practice a cooling off period before buying anything expensive. 5. Simplify your wardrobe with a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a minimalist approach to clothing where you focus on versatile, timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched. This helps you reduce the clutter in your closet and make more intentional choices. How it saves you money. You'll buy fewer clothes, but higher quality ones, which can last for years. By simplifying your wardrobe, you'll spend less money on impulse buys and fast fashion. How to apply it. Start by decluttering your closet. Get rid of items you don't wear or that don't fit your personal style. Invest in a small selection of versatile, well-made clothing pieces that suit your lifestyle. Buy less but choose quality, timeless styles that you can mix and match. 6. Limit your commitments and focus on what matters, in a world that values productivity. We often stretch ourselves thin by overcommitting to tasks, events, and obligations. Minimalism encourages you to focus only on what truly matters to you. How it saves you money. By saying no to unnecessary commitments, you have more time to focus on what's important, including your finances and personal well-being. You avoid spending money on things that drain your energy or don't align with your priorities. How to apply it. Learn to say no to commitments or events that don't serve your values or goals. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and growth. 7. Limit your digital clutter. In addition to physical clutter, digital clutter can be overwhelming. Excessive emails, apps, and digital files create a sense of chaos in your life. Reducing your digital clutter can help you focus and save time. How it saves you money? By decluttering your digital life. You streamline your time and energy, leading to more productive days. Reducing digital distractions helps you avoid mindless spending, like browsing online shopping sites. How to apply it? Organize your email inbox by unsubscribing from unwanted lists. Delete apps you don't use and limit screen time on your phone. Keep your digital files organized and only store what's necessary. 8. Cut out unnecessary subscriptions. Many people pay for subscriptions they don't fully use, such as streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. Cutting out unused subscriptions is a great way to save money without sacrificing much. How it saves you money? Canceling subscriptions that you rarely use frees up money for more important expenses or savings. You'll have fewer things to manage, which reduces mental stress. How to apply it? Review all your subscriptions and cancel any that you don't use regularly. Look for alternatives to subscription-based services, like one-time purchases or free options. 9. Simplify your meals and cook at home. Eating out frequently can take a huge chunk out of your budget. Minimalism in the kitchen means simplifying your meals, cooking at home, and reducing the need for convenience foods. How it saves you money? Home-cooked meals are far less expensive than dining out or ordering takeout. Cooking in bulk and using leftovers helps stretch your food budget even further. How to apply it? Plan your meals for the week and stick to a grocery list. Cook in bulk and store leftovers for easy future meals. Limit dining out to special occasions. 10. Focus on experiences, not things. One of the most powerful minimalist strategies is focusing on experiences rather than accumulating things. Spending money on experiences, like travel or hobbies, often provides more lasting fulfillment than material possessions. How it saves you money? You'll spend less on unnecessary items and focus your spending on meaningful activities. By prioritizing experiences, you create lasting memories and find happiness without the need for stuff. How to apply it? Invest in experiences that bring you joy, like traveling, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies. Limit impulse buys by shifting your focus to activities that enrich your life. Conclusion: simplify for a richer life. Minimalism is more than just getting rid of things. It's about making room for the things that truly matter: peace of mind, meaningful relationships, and financial freedom. Embrace these 10 minimalist strategies to simplify your life, save money, and reduce stress. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be intentional. Start small, and let minimalism transform your life for the better. Which minimalist strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to simplify their life and save money.